In the name of Allah. Hi everyone, today I want to show you in this video how to PowerPoint to PDF convert offline, step by step learning. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more update and press the bell icon. All is right, let's jump on the PC.
Let's say you have an PowerPoint document, and I want to PowerPoint to PDF converter offline. Frist Open Microsoft PowerPoint document. Then go to File menu. And here click on the Save As command. And here click on Browser. And here choose as path for Save PDF file. Here types your PDF name, then select here the PDF format. Now click on Save. As you can see, we have get the PowerPoint to PDF converter offline. Now if you open it, you can see that the PowerPoint to PDF converter. This is PowerPoint to PDF converter. It's a very easy way. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next video. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.